What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we're currently at Menards right now. We came to get some materials, some stuff. Got the list right here. Some stuff that we might need and just to have there, so we don't got to keep making store runs. We can have everything on hand when we're ready to get to it. We'll have it there already, you know. So I'm not sure exactly what today's video will be about, but I know I'm gonna film for you guys. So let's go ahead and go inside Menards, get what we need, what we have written down, and then we'll head back to the shop.
It'll be here on the 17th, so it will be here in a week.
Okay. So then I'll just pay for that up front.
Yep, you just have them scan it up at the front and they're good to go.
All
They have
right.
to scan.
See what the damage is today. Sí, por favor. Do you need all these out, or you can just scan one? Okay, there's gonna be. I guess I'll take these. 1, 4, 6 of those. There it is, guys. $1,000 is gone just like that. Sheesh. Here's what we bought. Bought our game boxes, singles and doubles, and we also bought our cabinets for top of the kitchen and for the back of the bed area. And we got some outlets. Got these single ones too. I'm gonna use some Gorilla Tape to fill in the little holes on the edge of the van where we're gonna run the wire through. All the plates for the receptacles, and then some foam because we're gonna fill this. We're gonna fill the top of the ceiling with this because I'm not gonna keep struggling with the other insulation. This we're gonna use to pour up in here, spray, I guess. Like I put insulation in here, but it's too much pain, so I'm just gonna use this, put them up in here, take this light down, spray that, because we're about to start putting our furring strips up here on the ceiling. And then we're gonna also install our electrical boxes. We have it marked up where they're gonna go. So that's kind of what we're gonna be doing right now. Bro, I'm not liking this, bro. It's not going how I want it. It looks like it's just leaving a mess. We're gonna let that sit for a bit, see if it expands. It's supposed to expand. All right, you guys, so that's probably gonna be it for today. I'm gonna finish filming tomorrow. We went ahead and got all the game boxes in. Tomorrow we're probably gonna start running the wire and possibly installing some of these 120s and the switches that we have on hand. Most of the other stuff we're waiting on. The lights for the ceiling. We're also waiting on some push buttons. I got some different type of buttons that I'm gonna put here for the lights. I just want to have something a little different, you know, and that's going to kind of give it a nice little look. So yeah, for now we're going to go ahead and head home, get some rest, and tomorrow we'll come back, start fresh, run the wire. Probably going to paint these wheel wells, and then we're going to probably go get flooring, because we were going to get it today, but we weren't sure on the measurement. So we're going to go back tomorrow, get the flooring, and then that'll be after we run the wire. So yeah, guys, I'll pick the camera up tomorrow morning. Back at it today. We started filling in the ceiling with the foam. You can see there, got this heater and got that heater going, so it's super hot in here right now. Filled some of these gaps a little more. The only thing is we ran out of one can, and then the other can, this shit doesn't want to come out. It's stuck in there. Empty. That one works for sure. Alright guys, we went ahead and sprayed the remaining gaps with the foam, and now we got both heaters going, so now we're just gonna wait for it to dry up and expand. And we're gonna go ahead and grab some lunch. So I'll see you guys when we get back from lunch. Back to our favorite store, guys.
In our grocery department, flash check out our weekly flyer.
Para ponerle labels y saber dónde va todo. Alright guys, so we're back from lunch. Now we're just trying to find the best way to run the wires to where we can kind of hide them, but where we can also access them if we ever need to. And we're going to go ahead and start running these 120 outlets. So once we're done running these 120s, then we'll switch over to all the 12 volt stuff. Those will mainly all be switches, but we're going to try to finish running all the wire today. I'll probably, from the looks of it, we might be a little short, but there's a store close by, so we can get some if we need it. So I had to remove this speaker panel real quick because it's in the way of where we're running our wires to the panel. Now what we're gonna do, if I can open this bag, is we're gonna use these cable tie mounts, and we're gonna go ahead and put some on the ceiling, and then we're gonna zip tie the wire. That way the wire doesn't go anywhere and it stays right there secured. Well guys, there we have it. All our wires have been ran. I labeled everything. These are for the max air fans. I got my 120s, my 12 volts, all ran through in here. Kind of try to hide the wires the best we could. Everything's ran to its outlet, to its gang box where it needs to be. As you can see here. Kind of hit it through here. We managed to get these filled in with some foam spray. We'll go ahead and clean those up tomorrow a little better. And I think we're finally gonna start painting this so that way it looks a little bit better, even though nobody's really gonna see down there, you know? Yeah, what do you guys think? How are we doing so far? For no experience in ever building a van. But again, guys, it's getting pretty late, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. I think we actually got a good amount of work done on the van today. Tomorrow will hopefully be a better day. We're gonna probably, like I said, paint these wheel wells, and then we might actually start installing the floor. I'll probably go ahead and film that tomorrow as well for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. And like always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.